Hello and welcome back to the series finale of the Daring Adventure. Tonight, we are going to end things in total chaos. We do have a tier 6 infestation here at Grover High, which might be possibly the worst infestation. And we're going to wait until Horde Night activates to start this. We're going to try and clear Grover High, tier 6 infested, while there's a horde chasing us. And it probably won't work. I might die horribly, but I've made many explosives, some armor piercing rounds, and then some extra rounds. Hopefully that covers it. This is where like our food is, extra med kits, and then of course recog and all that good stuff. We will be taking a lot, and I mean a lot of recog. And yeah, I do have like recog and fort bites and stuff in the drone. I will of course be stacking it as much as possible, and then like some extra drinks and stuff. And then like med kits, medicine, mega crush, all that good stuff. So right now I am basically just waiting on this thing to start. And also we have some extra supplies in here too, just regular ammo. And we also have some concrete cubes as well. I don't imagine I'll be using much of these concrete cubes, but if I ever need to make like a little pole, I can do so. There's a pooch. And then, of course, being that this is Grover High, we can just activate this, break into the last room, and take the infested cache if we need extra supplies.
My senses have picked up something.
And in fact, let me just hit this right now. So our tier 6 is activated. I'm going to break open the last room. I'm not going to loot it just yet, but I do want to have the door open. Alright, there it is. If we ever need extra supplies, we can just go into here, and I'll be pulling the last room outside as well. But I imagine most, if not all, the fighting is going to be done on the roof. And then I thought about respecking, but being that this is the Daring Adventure and stuff, I thought I would just kind of stay on brand. Like, yeah, I could have taken a Forgotten Elixir and just gone 10 into Strength, 10 into Agility, and then rest into Fortitude and whatnot, but I just wanted to kind of keep things the same. You know, because it's like, you know, that's the obvious thing to do, but I did want to kind of stay on brand and just keep my stats the way they were, you know, 4 out of 4 Daring Adventure, because we got most of our gear through the traders, and really early. I mean, if you haven't seen, you know, if you're new and haven't seen any of the other episodes, definitely look at episode 3. We get a level 5 tactical assault rifle and a pump shotgun on like day 6. It was very early to get something like that. We do have it on 64 zombies, and this is the Wasteland. Our game stage is 343. Now the game stage is a little inflated by the infestation, because infestations add a lot of game stage. But our base is definitely above 200. But we have plenty of explosive arrows. We have 43 plus 2 boxes right here. Then a bunch of armor piercing, some food, some extra water, some blackstrap coffee. Then we even have a rocket launcher with a few rocket frags. Now, I would have liked to have gotten more rocket frags, but that was just all I've been able to muster. I crafted what I could, bought what I could before the day 28 horde. So, yeah, here we are. I'm gonna die horribly, because this is also insane. The difficulty is insane, but, you know, it is also insane. Let us start chugging everything. We'll do jam chowder, 3 vitamins, recog, of course, some fort bites, and steroids. This is gonna kill our water, but that's okay. We have plenty of water. Let's stack mega crush as high as we can. Eat some gumbo stew for that extra stamina. Okay, the horde is about to start. Let's pull the roof. Wake up, everybody.
Incoming enemy.
Oh, the frames. Just starting off in regular ammunition for right now. I have no idea what this is gonna do, how my computer's even going to perform. Ow. Move to the other side. Got cops. There we go. Poke a nice hole for me. Oh boy. Look, half the zombies aren't even working right now. Seeing birds, so we're starting to get more and more horde here.
My senses have picked up something.
You gotta get nice and grouped up for me. Ow. Put that into fortitude. Ooh, abrasion already. It was being a little careless. Do another first aid kit. Kinda wish I had points into explosives. Pick up over there. Fair stuff. This guy's stuck. Doesn't seem like there's a lot of zombies right now. So I think there's only so many zombies I could be alive at once. Oh, okay. Ooh, deep laceration, eh? It's okay, we have plenty of medicine. Okay, let us switch to armor piercing. Okay, here they come. Try to get them lined up a little bit. Alright, let's get the last room pulled.
Prepare for conflict.
Okay, please. Do a little street fighting. Oh, I'm already about to be thirsty. Oh, the frames. Ow, Tommy. Tommy got up in my face and exploded my grenade. Gather up, please. Gather up. Gather them up. Keep gathering them up.
Master, we are not alone.
Ow. It's behind me. Ooh. Okay, we're thirsty. Take another Mega Crush. Let's get the rocket launcher. Gather up, please. Gather up, please.
Spotted enemies.
They do not want to gather up. Oh, hello. It's a demo. There we go. We hit his button. Yeah, that's what you want to see. Just run around like an idiot. Just run around like an idiot.
Feeling about this.
There goes that tree. Ow. Pop off a little bit, why not? Ooh. Demos are faster than I thought. See if we can pull more from the POI. There we go, there we go. Yeah, that's a lot more.
Incoming enemy. Prepare for conflict.
About to be a thirsty again. Oh, good time to break. Repair all that. Let's get the shotgun out. Ooh. There we go.
My senses have picked up something.
Hey, get off my gyrocopter. Bunch of y'all still here. Get nice and scattered up. Yeah, that's the end of Horde Night, but not the end of the show. Ow.
Great to see you, Master.
Give me another recon, please. There's just a million trillion zombies out here.
Incoming enemy. Prepare for conflict.
There's gonna be a million trillion screamers after this. On next playthrough, I'm definitely putting points into explosives. Let's get armor piercing 762 loaded. In fact, I got a new point. Let's get machine gunner.
Master, we are not alone.
More leftover from the Horde. It's having a bad day. Here a demo. There's a demo in here somewhere. Where is he? If he glitched through the world or something. Hey. Because, oh, there he is. Okay, so I figured demos would be considered ferals. I do have it on, like, default speed, so walk in the day, but ferals are always sprinting. But, that's interesting. I never knew that. Guess I've never really seen a demo during the day. Oh, back to the roof. Give me another pork bite. There we go. Can we hold our ground here? Ooh. Didn't even see that dog. Ow. Ah, you fell.
My senses have picked up something.
Yeah, gotta find that feral white. Alright, wake up everyone. Get up. Up, up, up. Just jump around like an idiot throwing potatoes. You guys do not want to gather up. The zombies have been very uncooperative tonight. I'll lit this in front of them. Ow.
I've got a bad feeling about this.
Do you, Drone? Do you have a bad feeling? Is it the 15 radiated zombies that are in here, maybe? That's enough of that. There's a bunch over there. I know, I know. Burn some concrete blocks, sure.
Prepare for conflict.
Can I squeeze in here? No. Maybe if I burn more concrete blocks. Ow. Trying to put on my pickaxe. I'm gonna mine you. Alright, joke's over. Okay, we don't have the spawn marker. We did this part. We did the gym. There we go. Here's one.
My senses have picked up something.
Over here, please. Yes, that's what I want to see. I want to see you guys lined up. Oh, there's just random elevator zombies. Oh, we got the spawn marker. And it was on the roof, of course. Doesn't surprise me. I was up there earlier, too, during Horde night. And it doesn't surprise me that these did not spawn. Actually, I want to grenade them.
Master, we are not alone.
And that is Grover Knight, or I'm sorry, that is Grover High during Horde Night, Tier 6 Infestation. Let's go see what the loot was. Let's go see what the loot is the proper grammar. we get a bunch of ammo, of course, shotgun turret bundle. Oh, an M60. That would have been a nice little upgrade for Horde Night, but you know, it's too late now. This is the last episode of this little playthrough that I'm doing, so I'm not, you know, overly attached to whatever we find here. We got stun baton, another auto turret bundle, nice, and some dukes. Extra ammo. I have absolutely no room for any of this. Drop these. Take that M60 for keeps. I'd love to open these, but I didn't even bring my axe. And I could pickaxe them, but I don't really want to. We're at the stage in the game where these crates can't really give us anything we want. All in all, a very successful night, if a little chaotic. And let's go turn it into, I think, yeah, Trader Bob is where I got this quest from. Okay, and this should be Tier 6 complete. Okay, Bob, what do we get?
You've been busier than a cat on a hot
Sure, I'll just take whichever. I don't have to backspace, so I'll just get rid of this ammo. Playthrough's over anyway. Don't need to clear backspace, goodness. And I'll just pick whatever, because it is the end of the playthrough. So steel, 1 legendary part, 100 steel shapes. This is for Tier 6 complete, by the way. So we get to pick 2. The steel would have been kind of cool to have earlier, but okay, and that is the end of the Daring Adventurer series. We got Tier 6 complete. We did Grover High Tier 6 on Horde Night. And I won't lie, I kind of thought there'd be a little more zombies, but with how populated Grover High is, you know, I'm sure the zombie capped out pretty quickly. So but other than that, I mean, it's really fun. The next playthrough, I'm going to be doing an Insane Nightmare playthrough. And probably just a normal playthrough. I'm not really going to do any shenanigans with the Daring Adventure. I'll probably just do the old, you know, gather crafting magazines and then craft my way up to, you know, progression and all that stuff. So that will be interesting, I think. And I've never done Insane Nightmare before. So I've done Insane playthroughs, regular speeds. That's what this was. I've done Warrior Nightmare. I've done Survivalist Sprint with Nightmare speeds at night, but not a full Insane Nightmare playthrough before, so that will be the next series. So thank you guys a lot for watching and liking the video. I will see you guys on the next series.